Hey guys, so right now me and a few friends are going out to play some baseball. So we'll be out there hitting some balls and ground just for fun, just to do something. So that's where I'll be right now, and let's get going. Here we are. Hitting off the tee here at the baseball park, Diamond. Got Henry out there, number 28, outfielder. Blake, number 22, infielder, shortstop. We out here having fun. Come on, Robert. Come on. Oh, Blake.
Oh, yeah.
Right. Hey guys, so we're done. We're transitioning. We're gonna play some basketball for a little while. So let's go play b-ball. Basketball, baseball. Let's go play basketball. All right, so we're here at the basketball court. So let's go get the ball. They go. Oh, it went on. I don't care.
Makers.
Hey guys, so right now we are taking the cars out, the RC cars, because we finally got them fixed. So we're taking them out to some jumps to get them going. So stay tuned.
Well, this is where we're at this big old mound over here. It's in front of Walmart. We've taken the cars here one other time. We had a good time with them, so we decided to come back to this spot because there's this big open area and you can just let them go wild. There's a few jumps around here. We'll see if we can catch some air with these things.
Oh.
Rebecca, ready?
Looks like you're going for a walk, dude. He's gonna go have some fun at the skate park with the truck.
See if we can break something.
I'm sure. Feel better now?
Yeah, let me see if I can get this big one.
Oh God, we might break something now. See if you can do it. Big one. Is it hard to steer?
Yeah, it's real hard to steer.
Made it. Thanks.
Thank you.
It's time to make it go. So you guys use
Swags.
the swags?
Yeah.
Or some scrubs?
Getting brave there, man. Yeah. Go. That's what it's called.
Oh!
Made it. Oh, jeez. Mike. All done.
That was fun.
Yeah.
Definitely gonna come back.
Kids liked it.
Yeah, it was cool.
I think you liked it more than anybody.
I did. Four-wheel drive, I think would have worked a little bit better, more traction, but it was still fun.
Yeah, it's cool. I had to cut off Mike's playtime at the skate park with the RC truck because Baxter's ready. The growers, we're gonna go pick him up. They don't look so tiny. We get him shaved right now because his hair grows so fast. And it's hot outside. So we'll go pick up Baxter.
It's a summertime dew.
His summer dew. That's where we're going.
Yeah.
New
Skate
favorite park?
Yes. I managed to break something on it though. Something's it's riding like a low rider in the back, so I busted something on it. It's always a good time when you bust something though. That means you pushed it hard, so that's fun. We'll go back, get it fixed. All the kids down there loved it.
Yeah.
I think I probably loved it more than the kids. That was awesome.
You big kid.
I know, right?
Aw, here he comes. He's so little when he gets shaved. He's a tiny little guy. He's tiny.
Say hi to Mama.
Hi. Hi, little boy. Let me see you. Aw, you're so skinny and little. Look at you, handsome little man. I'm not talking to you. I'm talking to you. Yes, I'm talking to you. So cute.
6 to 8 weeks, got to bring him back. Get his nails trimmed because he's not gonna need a haircut. So put that in
Just nails.
Put that in the calendar.
Yeah. Ready to go home and go play with Lexi and Cody.
My drive.
He wants me.
I guess so.
Let's go home and play with the other doggies. Oh, I'm so excited to be home to go see my friends. Ah.
Look at little rat.
Aw.
Small he is compared to them.
He's so little. Yeah, I know. I miss you guys so much. I miss you guys so much.
Well, we're back home. Got a broken shock on this one. See how it just sticks there?
Oh, the shock?
Yeah, shock's broken. I knew something was wrong because it was right into the left a little bit like that. But it's fun. Had a good time. But yeah, this is probably going to end it. So if you like it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. And look for the eye in the sky for more awesome videos just like this one, what we just did. We have several other videos that we ran these in and bashed them up a little bit. So yeah. Peace.